Here with a 2018 18 plates BMW 520d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels. Now they are the diamond cut, so they do have the silver face and also the grey inserts on the sides. Very, very cool looking wheels indeed. Do have your LED headlights, the black Kinder Girls, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front split, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. We have the blacked out styling against the silver wheels and the white paint, so we do have your black window trim, privacy glass on the rear, your black roof bars, front and rear parking sensors, and you do also get a rear reversing camera. As you can see, the rear diffuser really making this vehicle stand out from the rest with your dual X exhaust. We have a power assisted rear tailgate, which is also split forward, so underneath the wiper arm you have a button just there which you can lift up. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Quick look into the rear of this car, where you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points pulled out armrest, and you also get storage behind the passenger driver's seat. On the doors you do have your gloss wooden trim with the ambient lighting just up there, integrated Harman Kardon premium sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver's seat is fully heated electric and memory, and the passenger seat is just heated and electric. Memory function just there, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and again your premium integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights down there, multi-function steering wheel or paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You also get a heated steering wheel just there as well. Very nice for those cold winter mornings next to the heated seats, which work exactly how you would expect them to. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 38,300 miles. Now, you can change the look of the instrument cluster by going through the different drive modes. So, put it into Sport, it then changes the look, put it into Eco Pro, and then goes below. We have your screen in the centre where you can see your different drive modes. So, you have Eco Pro, Comfort, and also you do have your Sport with your individual. Coming back off that, you have your satellite navigation, which you can zoom in and out of. You can also find your media connectivity via DAB radio. You have your FM, AM music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, and also USB. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Pop it into reverse, you have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. Very good features to have. We have your home menu just there. As you can see, no notifications. The vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Dual zone climate control just down here. Again, with your 2 heated front seats, ice cold aircon. Pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, wireless charging with USB, and also your 12-volt connectivity. Very nice trim on this vehicle indeed. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. We have your traction on and off, your different drive modes, parking sensors, electric parking brake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. Now next to the gloss wooden trim, you have your brushed metal and also your gloss black. Very nice combination to have. There's a look at the passenger's front seat, and both driver and passenger have the extended fire support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free content nationwide next day delivery. So HBI Clear comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.